What if I told you that your Vizio TV might be capable of producing a picture that's almost twice as good as what you're seeing right now, without spending a single dollar? Seriously, most people buy a Vizio TV, turn it on and on, and never realize they're watching with terrible factory settings. Colors look weird, movies feel dull, and sports don't look nearly as smooth as they should. But today, I'm going to show you the exact settings that can transform your Vizio TV into a cinematic powerhouse. And some of these changes take less than 30 seconds. Let's get started. First, grab your remote and go to Menu, Picture Mode. This is the single most important setting on your Vizio TV. Many TVs are set to Vivid, Bright, Standard. These modes may look impressive in a showroom, but at home, they often create exaggerated colors and harsh brightness. Instead, choose one of these, Calibrated mode. This is the best choice for most people. It delivers natural colors, better contrast, more accurate skin tones, excellent movie quality. Calibrated dark mode. Perfect if you usually watch TV at night or in a dark room. It provides deeper blacks and a more cinematic experience. Game mode. If you're gaming on a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, use game mode for lower input lag and faster response times. Simply changing the picture mode can dramatically improve image quality. But we're just getting started. This one surprises almost everyone. Most people think increasing sharpness makes the picture clearer. But that's actually a myth. High sharpness creates artificial outlines around objects and makes the image look unnatural. Go to Picture, More Picture, Sharpness. Set it somewhere between 0 and 20. Try comparing before and after. You'll notice more natural faces, cleaner text, better movie quality. This simple change alone can make your TV look much more expensive. Now let's make everything pop. Contrast. Contrast around 45 to 50. This helps bright scenes stand out without washing out details. Brightness. Try setting brightness between 48 and 52. These values work well for most rooms. If your room is very bright during the day, you can increase brightness slightly, but avoid maxing it out. Higher isn't always better. In fact, too much brightness can destroy shadow detail and make movies look flat. Think of it like adding too much salt to food. A little enhances everything. Too much ruins the experience. Now we're getting to one of the biggest mistakes people make: motion smoothing. Depending on your Vizio model, this feature may be called Smooth Motion Effect, Motion Control, Reduce Judder. At first glance, it seems amazing. But here's the problem. It creates something called the soap opera effect. Movies suddenly look strange, almost like behind-the-scenes footage instead of a Hollywood film. Even directors like Christopher Nolan and filmmakers around the world hate this effect. Go to Picture, Advanced Picture. Turn motion smoothing off. Immediately you'll notice more natural movement, better movie quality, a true cinematic experience. Your favorite films will finally look the way they were intended to. Enable full UHD color for 4K devices if you own PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Apple TV, Fire TV Stick 4K, Roku Ultra. This setting is essential. Go to Input Settings. Look for Full UHD Color. Turn it on for the HDMI port connected to your device. Why is this important? Because without it, your TV may not display HDR, Wide Color Gamut, full 4K quality, which means you're not getting everything your streaming box or gaming console can deliver. Many people spend hundreds of dollars on a new console and never enable this setting. Don't make that mistake.